What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach Instagram link to your snap on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Snapchat and now I'll create some snap. I'll just take a picture and now to attach Instagram link to that snap I need to tap there on that icon. So now I'm able to add here some URL and now I need to copy that URL. So I open up my Instagram, I tap on my profile, then tap on three lines icon right there and here select QR code. There I can tap on share button and in that menu select copy. Now QR code and link to my profile was copied and I can go back there and there tap paste. So link to my Instagram profile was successfully pasted there and now I can just tap go, wait for a couple of seconds and select attach to snap. And here it is, that is a link on my Instagram profile. I can place it in any place that I want. I can change its size, I can rotate, scale, move to any position, and once I'm done I just tap on send to and now I can select my story or I can send that snap to some specific person. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.